Well, we bought a Vevor heater, diesel heater. Let's unbox it. Well, that's her opened up. Everything looks nice and snug. Okay, seems pretty good. I'll have a more detailed look here pretty soon. All right, out of the box. Cool. Yeah, there's a little fob. Looking pretty slick. A little bit of weight. I wasn't expecting this thing so soon. I'm not really ready for it. But you get a new toy, you gotta see right away, don't you? Yeah, if you're like me. I definitely do. Got this little box here as well. I'm guessing this is the box of all the little doohickeys. So we'll get that open and see what we got in there. Alright, little doohickey box. I'm guessing this is for the exhaust. Yeah, oh perfect. I thought I was going to have to go get one separately. That's a plus. Excellent. Muffler and attachments. Heat ducting. All the gizmos and clampy clamps. Yeah. And the exhaust. Alright. Pretty cool. Well, let's get it together and see what we come back with. But I need diesel first, so like I said, I was not prepared for this. We'll be back. Well, we got her all set up. That's full of diesel. Well, that's full of diesel now. I was worried about power. Got to turn it on, no problem. She's already pumping out some heat. Yeah. Looks like the exhaust is burning some crap off, but not too shabby. Not too shabby. Yeah. I did have, this was the old model. Here's the new model. A little heavier, a little more, but you know what? This can actually heat this room up. This would be good. I'm gonna let this run, burn out the gas, see how warm it gets in here, or the diesel, sorry. And then we're gonna try a tent. Because this thing's for ice fishing and camping on the ice. It's gonna be a nice little plus for the shop, I think, too.